Mini lights, the install's pretty simple. Drill your pilot holes, then screw the fixtures into place. Mini lights are super versatile. In this setup, we're adding safety for the homeowner by lighting up the gate latch. No more fumbling around in the dark. We used an ML15 LED on each side of the gate. For this application, we used the optional glare shield without the stake. Since both fixtures are mounted near the top, the wiring gets a little more involved, but totally manageable. Here's how we did it. Hide your wire anywhere it can disappear. Corners, seams, or gaps in the mounting surface. It needs to look clean during the day too. We ran our wire along the bottom of the ledge, then down to the ground. Same approach on the other side. Now for the fun part, splicing the mini lights into the home run wire. To keep connections to a minimum, we used a sidewalk sleever to make a channel under the fence. That lets us run the wire from one side and join it with the other light's wire. All connections meet at a single hub for a clean, reliable setup. Once everything's buried, it's time for the payoff. That latch is easy to spot now, safe, simple, and sharp looking.